Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crafter Party. I am your hostess with the mostest, AV, and today this is like a two-hitter. We're like partying all day. I'm making things out of stuff I already have. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Suncatcher out of an old CD. Check it out. And watch the second video because I'm going to show you two different ways on how to do it.
I want to make a note that all CDs and DVDs are not created equally. You want to use something that is smooth on both sides, because if you use something like this, remember the ones that we used to use in college, depending on how old you are, scoff, the ones we used to use in college, and it has like a little bit of texture on the side, you want to kind of avoid those because those are a little bit harder for the foil to come off. AKA, it won't come off at all. It's etched in. Any tape should do, but I am using packing tape. Just gonna place it on here. And rip. You see how that just comes off? Like butter, baby. Look at that. Clear. And I want to just add a nice even pressure to it and just go across. And if you feel like you're messing up, you can use a toothpick or a popsicle stick to clean up your edges. You're gonna just fill it in, just like this. Spread it out with the nozzle.
Oh wow, now I have something to do with all of my old CDs. I don't even have a CD player anymore. Suncatchers for everybody. If you don't have the same paint that I have, I'm going to show you how to do the same technique with Sharpies. You gotta check it out in the second video, alright? And until then, keep the party going at the Crafter Party.